Blackout Bingo starts with choosing a game, reviewing its entry requirements, playing the bingo round, and checking your balance afterward. By the end, you'll know the basic process from opening the app to checking your results and, if eligible, requesting a withdrawal. First, install Blackout Bingo through your device's official app store and open the app. Create or sign into your account and complete any account steps the app requires. Once you reach the main screen, open the game lobby. This is where you can review the available bingo contests and their displayed entry requirements. Before selecting a paid game, check the entry amount and prize information shown for that specific contest. Do not assume every game has the same entry requirement or prize structure. After selecting a contest, review the rules before confirming your entry. The goal is to complete the bingo game according to the rules displayed on screen and perform better than the competing players when the contest is competitive. During the game, pay attention to the numbers called and mark the matching numbers on your card. Your exact controls can depend on the current version of the app, so follow the interface displayed on your device. When the round ends, check the results screen. This tells you whether you qualified for a prize and shows the relevant result for that contest. If you receive a prize, return to your account or balance section and check how the amount has been credited. Keep in mind that a displayed balance and a withdrawable balance can have different requirements. To withdraw, open the withdrawal section and review the payment methods currently available to your account. Select the method you want. Check the minimum and eligibility requirements shown on screen, and confirm the amount before submitting the request. If the withdrawal option is unavailable, check the requirements displayed in the app instead of assuming there is an error. Account verification, balance eligibility, payment method availability, or promotional conditions can affect the process. For beginners, the safest way to learn the app is to start with the game rules and entry information before spending money. Do not enter a paid contest until you understand what the entry requires and what the displayed prize structure means. The full process is simple. Open Blackout Bingo, sign in, choose a contest, review its requirements, play the round, check your results, review your balance, and use the withdrawal section if your funds are eligible. Your next step is to open the current Blackout Bingo app and follow those screens in order, because the interface and available contests can change with updates. If this walkthrough helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app guides, payment tutorials, and beginner walkthroughs.